Unveiling Somaliland, a hidden gem in the Horn of Africa. Africa, a continent of immense beauty and diversity. From the snow-capped peaks of Kilimanjaro to the lush rainforests of the Congo Basin, Africa never ceases to amaze. Today we journey to a lesser-known corner of this magnificent continent, Somaliland. Somaliland, a self-declared republic in the Horn of Africa, is a land of dramatic landscapes and ancient history. Bounded by Ethiopia to the west, Djibouti to the northwest, and Somalia to the east, this often overlooked nation boasts a unique character and undeniable charm. Imagine a place where rugged mountains meet pristine beaches, where ancient cave paintings whisper tales of bygone eras, and where the warmth of the people rivals the heat of the desert sun. This is Somaliland, a land waiting to be discovered. Join me as we embark on a virtual safari through this extraordinary country, exploring its stunning scenery, vibrant culture, and the enduring spirit of its people. The Ancient Whispers of Las Gil, a journey through time. Our journey begins in the outskirts of Hargeisa, Somaliland's capital, a place where the past and present coexist in a delicate balance. Here, a collection of rock shelters harbors a secret that has captivated archaeologists and historians for decades: Las Gil. These shelters are not just mere rocks, they are the silent keepers of stories that span millennia. This remarkable UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to some of the oldest and best-preserved cave paintings in Africa, dating back an astonishing 9,000 to 3,000 years. These paintings are a window into a world long gone, yet still vividly alive in the strokes of ancient artists. As you approach the shelters, nestled amidst a landscape of granite outcrops and acacia trees, a sense of awe washes over you. The rugged beauty of the terrain is a stark reminder of the timelessness of nature and the enduring spirit of humanity. The paintings, rendered in vivid ochre, red, and white pigments, depict a time when humans lived in harmony with nature, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the land. Each brushstroke tells a story of survival, community, and a deep respect for the environment. Gazelles graze peacefully, their long horns reaching towards the sky, embodying the grace and beauty of the natural world. These images capture moments of tranquility and the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Cows, a symbol of prosperity and abundance, stand proudly, their udders heavy with milk. They represent not just sustenance, but the wealth and stability of the communities that once thrived here. Hunters, armed with bows and arrows, stalk their prey, showcasing the skills and bravery required to provide for their families. These scenes are a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of early humans. While ceremonial figures, adorned with elaborate headdresses, seem to dance across the rock face. These figures likely played a crucial role in the spiritual and cultural practices of the time, their movements frozen in time yet full of life. These ancient masterpieces offer a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of Somaliland's earliest inhabitants, their stories etched into the very fabric of the land. Each painting is a chapter in the grand narrative of human history, a story of connection, survival, and creativity. Las Gil is not simply a collection of cave paintings, it is a living testament to the enduring power of human creativity and our profound connection to the natural world. It reminds us that, despite the passage of time, the essence of humanity remains unchanged, our desire to create, to communicate, and to leave a mark on the world. The vibrant coastal city of Berbera, where history meets the sea. This city is a living tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty, where every corner tells a story of its rich past and vibrant present. From the ancient wonders of Las Gil, with its prehistoric cave paintings that date back thousands of years, we journey north to the coastal city of Berbera. This bustling hub of trade and culture has been a significant center for commerce and interaction for centuries. Situated on the Gulf of Aden, Berbera has long been a strategic port, connecting the Horn of Africa to the Arabian Peninsula and beyond. Its location has made it a vital link in maritime trade routes, facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures across continents. As you stroll along the waterfront, the salty tang of the sea air fills your nostrils, mingling with the aromas of spices and incense wafting from nearby shops. The vibrant colors of the market stalls, laden with exotic spices, textiles, and handcrafted goods, create a sensory feast that is both captivating and invigorating. Dhows, traditional wooden sailing vessels, bob gently in the harbor, their colorful sails billowing in the breeze. These vessels are a testament to Berbera's long and storied maritime heritage, a heritage that has seen the city thrive as a center of seafaring and trade for generations. The city's historic quarter is a labyrinth of narrow alleyways and bustling bazaars. Here, the air hums with the sounds of haggling merchants, the clinking of coins, and the laughter of children playing. The historic architecture, with its intricate designs and weathered facades, tells tales of a bygone era. Here you can lose yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of everyday life. The vibrant atmosphere of this ancient trading post is palpable, with every corner offering a new discovery, from traditional crafts to local delicacies. Berbera is also home to pristine beaches, where the turquoise waters of the Gulf of Aden lap gently against the shore. These beaches offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, a place where you can unwind and connect with nature. Relax on the golden sands, cool off with a refreshing dip in the ocean, or simply soak up the sun as you watch fishermen casting their nets in the distance. The rhythmic sound of the waves and the sight of the fishermen at work create a tranquil and timeless scene, a perfect end to a day in this remarkable city. Section 4. The enchanting Daalo Forest, a sanctuary of biodiversity. Leaving the coast behind, we venture inland to the Daalo Forest, a lush oasis nestled amidst the arid plains of Somaliland. This forest is a hidden gem, a verdant paradise that stands in stark contrast to the surrounding desert. Here, amidst towering juniper trees and fragrant frankincense groves, a symphony of birdsong fills the air, a welcome respite from the silence of the desert. The juniper trees, some of which are centuries old, create a canopy that shelters a myriad of life forms. The Daalo Forest is a sanctuary for a remarkable array of biodiversity, home to endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. These unique species have adapted to the specific conditions of this forest, making it a critical area for conservation. Colorful birds flit through the undergrowth, their calls echoing through the trees, while troops of baboons scamper through the branches, their playful antics a delight to behold. The forest is alive with movement and sound, a testament to its thriving ecosystem. As you hike along the forest trails, the air thick with the scent of pine needles and damp earth, keep your eyes peeled for the elusive Somali wild ass, a critically endangered species that roams these hills. The trails offer a journey through diverse habitats, each with its own unique flora and fauna. With a little luck, you might even catch a glimpse of the rare and beautiful Somali warbler, its melodious song a true gift to the ears. This bird, with its striking plumage, is a symbol of the forest's rich avian diversity. The Daalo Forest is a reminder that even in the harshest of environments, life finds a way. The resilience of the plants and animals here is truly inspiring, showcasing nature's incredible ability to adapt and thrive. It is a testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of preserving these precious ecosystems for generations to come. Protecting the Daalo Forest is not just about saving a piece of land. It's about safeguarding a living, breathing sanctuary of biodiversity that supports countless species and provides invaluable ecological benefits. Section 5. The warmth of Somaliland's people, a tapestry of culture and tradition. While Somaliland's natural beauty is undeniable, it is the warmth and hospitality of its people that truly capture the heart. Despite facing numerous challenges, the people of Somaliland have retained a remarkable spirit of resilience and an unwavering sense of community. From the nomadic herders who roam the vast plains with their camels and goats, to the city dwellers who navigate the bustling streets of Hargeisa, the people of Somaliland share a deep connection to their land and their culture. Hospitality is a cornerstone of Somali tradition, and visitors to Somaliland are sure to be greeted with open arms and warm smiles. Whether you are sharing a cup of fragrant tea with a local family or simply exchanging greetings with passers-by, you will be struck by the genuine warmth and kindness of the people. The rich cultural heritage of Somaliland is evident in its music, dance, and storytelling traditions. Gather around a crackling fire as the sun sets, and listen as elders share ancient tales of bravery, love, and adventure passed down through generations. Section 6. The beauty of Somaliland's women, grace and resilience personified. Within the vibrant tapestry of Somaliland's culture, the women shine as beacons of strength, beauty, and resilience. They are the heart and soul of their communities, playing a vital role in all aspects of life, from raising families and managing households to contributing to the economy and preserving cultural traditions. Often adorned in brightly colored dirak dresses and intricate henna designs, Somali women exude an air of grace and elegance. Their beauty is not merely skin-deep, it emanates from within, reflecting their inner strength, determination, and unwavering spirit. Whether they are tending to their flocks in the arid plains, running businesses in the bustling cities, or advocating for their communities on the political stage, Somali women are a force to be reckoned with. They are the embodiment of resilience, their spirits unbroken by the challenges they have faced. Their stories are an inspiration, a testament to the power of the human spirit to overcome adversity and create a brighter future for themselves and their children.